coming in my cooking show. We're back with another cooking show with Abimael, the chef. And today, we're gonna make the juiciest, crispiest fried chicken in the United States. See, and using this medium hot seasoned brand mix is very good. And today I'm gonna start with the chicken wing. See that chicken wing? Oh yes, I love chicken. Wait, no I don't. I am chicken. Okay, let's get you seasoning. So first you gotta get the seasoning, put it on the aluminium, and get all of that flour on the chicken. See? You gotta put a lot of flour to make it very crispy. And the secret, put some of that seasoning under the skin. Makes it extra crispy. So crispy it makes it. Okay. Okay, grab that. Okay. And then shake some out of that excess. We don't want very crispy. Okay. And what? See? Shake some of that excess. Woo! And put it with the other types of chicken. And so far we've done 2 chicken wings and 3 drumsticks. Okay. Now, oh yes, that frying chicken. Look there. Oh, looks so good. It's getting very fried. Ooh yeah. Ooh yeah. See that chicken? It's chicken. Dry your hands and wash your hands before doing your cooking. So you do not get any of the dirty stuff in the chicken. That would be very bad. Okay, so as I was saying, see the chicken? You gotta dry it, but not that much. Or else it won't get, or else the breading seasoning will not get stuck on it. Very bad. So let's get that.
It will be crispy.
And will not be crispy at all. That's very bad. As you see, this is a big restaurant. We're famous for this restaurant. But it's hidden. No one knows where it is. But some people know where it is because it's famous. And to the people that we know, yes, it is. It is very much. Get some of that crispiness. Shake some of the acid, put some bread in. Okay, sing along this chicken song. Cook that chicken, make it fried chicken, make it fried chicken, make it fried chicken. Okay, that was a good one. This is what we do not want in our chicken. We do not want this fat. You see that fat right there? We do not want that. So take it out from the excess. Take it out. Take it out. It's oily. It won't do nothing. Okay? Get that skin. Lay it out. Okay, get the thigh. See that thigh? But thank you again for that minute. Remember to subscribe to my channel. Get all that. Ooh yeah. Oh, I can hear that sizzling from that chicken.
I'm the main chef here.
She's the main chef, but I'm the assistant. But today it's my turn to cook.
Where's the water?
You see that? There's no seasoning under there. Get all that seasoning under there. Makes it crispy from the inside. Oh yeah. Get it from the other side. Oh, it looks good and crispy. Okay. Flip, spread, shake. And there we have it. Wait, oh no, there's still some more meat to be seasoned. Okay, and there we have it. Chicken thigh, breast. Okay, now to get to the other one. this ugly one. Wow.
That was ugly.
Okay. Get all the excess out. Ew. You do not want that. It makes the chicken bad. There's some on there, but not a lot.
Oh, you need a cover?
That's good. Very good. Okay. It's big fat chicken. Done, and we're going to the fryer. We're using the oven, the levels and the levels and high. We have it at high. You should always put when you're cooking your fried chicken at high. It's very good. It's very useful. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, bro. And that's it. We got it. All that chicken. All that chicken, and we finished at 5:01. Thank you. Thank you very much. And thank you. And I'm gonna call Mommy Chef to put it in the fryer. And thank you very much. Make sure to keep on watching my videos. Subscribe. Press the subscribe button, the like, the bell, and do. You're in my video. I'll tell you when I do my next video. Bye. Bye. Share this with others. Have a nice day. This was cooking in house. It's time for the frying part. Don't think I forgot. Here's the frying part. Woo-hoo. Look at that fried chicken. Woo! So crispy. Oh yeah, look at that. Woo! Oh yeah. Woohoo! That was good chicken. Okay, you have to put it in aluminum in a towel because it's oily and you gotta get all that juices out. And stay back. Let a grown-up help you with this. If you're a grown-up, then you can do it. But if you're a kid, don't. It's very dangerous. It's very bubbly. See that? Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And look at the. It's that much. Oh, it's probably that much when you're frying. Thanks. Thanks a lot for finishing the video. Give it a like I said in the beginning. Thanks.